Good day, my name is Tristan Aaron James Esmana. I have a bachelor degree in hospitality management and major in hotel and restaurant administration. I'm currently looking for a job of entry-level position in concierge housekeeping or events. I'm eager to learn, gain hands-on experience, and contribute in delivering quality guest service and hospitality. I have developed good communication and ability to work well with different people. I'm organized and responsible and able to manage my time with handling multiple tasks, especially in busy or fast environment. I'm also a certified hospitality professional and was recognized the top top 10 outstanding trainees in the Go program. This experience helped me to understand the importance of discipline and teamwork, the professionalism and the service. In addition, I have been active in involved in student leadership organization, including the Wesleyan Supreme Student Council and the College of Local Council in our department. Through these roles, I learned how to coordinate with teams, assist in events, communicate clearly, and serve others with respect and responsibility. I have completed several hospitality seminars and trainings, including the Hospitality Supervisor Create certification from American Hospitality Academy. This training strengthened my understanding of service excellence, workplace ethics, and work in a multiple cultural environment. I consider myself a hardworking and respectful service-oriented individual. I have, I have, I believe that good hospitality is not only skills but also uh, attitude and sincerely. Thank you for taking time to watch my video resume. I will honor to be giving you the opportunity to grow and contribute to your organization. Thank you. Good day, my name is Tristan Aaron James Esman, a bachelor degree of hospitality management